A lot has happened in the last 30 years. Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think that this organization would become what it is today. I don't think there's a person in this room who could imagine the change that we've had in the last 25 years. And God knows what's going to happen in the next 25 years. But for sure, if we're going to win, we have to understand change.
And change they did. Today, the Zinc Food Service Group, under the direction of Jim Zink and Mike McGuire, is comprised of not only Zinc marketing, but also top-of-the-table and Zinc commercial services.
Everybody needs to know we're the branch sales office for both equipment and supplies in the Midwest.
This group of companies provides a comprehensive package of sales, marketing, and installation services for premier manufacturers of food service equipment, smallwares, and supplies. Does getting more than your fair share of the market appeal to your appetite? Are you hungry for a dynamic partner that can provide you with a sustainable competitive advantage? During the next 7 minutes, sit back and meet Zinc Food Service Group. Innovative, exciting, responsible, creative, strong. The Zinc Food Service Group.
In this industry, you're expected to get answers, and you're expected to get those answers now. We live on a schedule, a construction schedule, and things have to be done expeditiously, especially if you're behind schedule.
Patrick Malloy.
Or if something went wrong at the job site. They need answers, and they need them now.
And for more ease, efficiency, and accuracy, a methodology was created called Zinc Logics, with 6 major areas of streamlined focus and concentration: planning and forecasting, weekly sales meetings, regular updates, responsive systems, sales force management, and backselling.
Zinc Logics is the backbone of our company. It is absolutely critical to everything we do.
Several years back, we saw a trend where we were processing so much data and so much information, and we knew it was data that would be useful to the factories that we represent.
It is a very, very, very key piece of our business and the growth that we expect to see in this business, because the information we have is vital to our customers. Where is it? When's it going to be there? What are we working on?
Planning and forecasting is critical to our operation. We are the front line out here in the field. And for you, the manufacturer, to be able to have real data, real information, so that you can plan around what's actually going to happen in the field, we think that's important.
But there are still some that we relied on last year that I don't see them coming to life yet.
Well, let's identify those a little more closely right now.
Okay.
Yeah, under audience.
Zinc Logics is a great tool for communicating between the field and the home office here in Columbus, because they are able to see what we're doing out in the field through a central database.
Well, I think the Zinc Food Service Group is a very dynamic, a very aggressive, very progressive company. Progressive ideas, willing to invest in resources to make sure that we are the best business partner for our customers.
Our weekly sales meeting gets all 40 people from the Zinc Food Service Group on the same page. Every Monday morning, we review the previous week's information. We get agended items out on the table for the sales team, outside and inside, so we're all moving in the same direction.
We can discuss field sales trips, factory visits, competitive issues. We do it religiously. We do it every Monday, and it's a critical part of our operation.
Indy's here.
Detroit.
Detroit.
Grand Rapids.
Here.
Chicago.
Here.
Last week on Friday, everyone should have been emailed their first quarter reports. Hopefully you had a chance this weekend to go through and look at your numbers.
This quoting activity has grown. The object now is to turn that into sales.
We were able to convert the order.
Patrick, how much is that worth?
$180,000.
Nice.
I think you win with people, and we go out of our way to hire the best people available and do anything we can to add value to our customers. If you're not adding value, then what's your point in the whole scheme of things?
Our regular updates are weekly reports from our outside sales team. We take that information and give monthly reports upstream to our manufacturing partners. With that information, they understand the critical issues that we run into every week.
Are they going to be doing most of their china and glassware stored over here in the dry storage, or are they going to have it over here closer to the line?
I would think they have it closer to the line.
Utilizing the Zinc Logix system has been a tremendous advantage to us. It lets us not only record our successes, but track our progression through the sales process and provide our manufacturers with feedback at any time when they might require it.
Responsive systems is our way of communicating with our entire company. Our emails, our quotes, any of our correspondence. Hi Karen, this is Shauna. Purchase orders, acknowledgments, that sort of thing. This is Karen Hoover, and she's one of our customers. I automatically know it's her because she pops up on my screen. Before we had that, I would say that our response time was a lot longer and a lot less effective.
Salesforce management is unique to the Zinc Food Service Group. We've got a tiered structure with managers in place to work with our territory managers in the local level to ensure that our manufacturing partners get what they're looking for, working on the right projects, right time, right place.
I think the merger with Zinc Food Service Group and Top of the Table has brought us to a new level of recognition in the food service industry.
In this room, I'm able to bring in a food service operator and outfit their kitchen from top to bottom. We can start with equipment and we can end with tabletop, whether it be china or flatware, food pans, toasters, light equipment, all of their needs are serviced here.
At Zinc Food Service Group, we've got a term called backselling. That means we tell the manufacturer what we're doing. They don't know that we have 40 people in the market. They don't understand all the resources we have in the test kitchens and the different facilities that come in and visit our test kitchen. We need to tell them what we're doing, how we're doing it. That's backselling.
Hey Tom, can you walk us through the different cooking modes on that combi?
Convection, combination, or retherm. Zinc does a very good job of marketing because they work with a lot of the end users. A lot of people will just say, here's your piece of equipment, we buy a piece of equipment and it's over. We don't do that. We will go out and we will demo the equipment on site or bring the people in here. We will not just sell them a piece of equipment and then walk away from it.
This is our warehouse located here in Columbus, Ohio. We have a 20,000 square foot facility and warehouse over $1 million worth of products. We service our dealers in a 6.5 state range and can provide same-day shipping, which gives Zinc the edge. Zinc is a great place to work.
We're the leader.
Leaders,
Objective.
Vision.
new level, dynamic,
Powerful.
Oh my goodness.
Aggressive.
progressive.
Discipline.
Great lineup.
Success.
Very, very loyal.
Relationships with a capital R.
Believe in what we sell.
Experience.
Number one.
Professionalism.
Far-reaching.
Growing.
A rock-solid foundation.
Think Zinc.
We couldn't be more excited about the future. You know, I'll tell you that Mike and I know that the business we're in is never going to get any easier than it is today. And that's what drives us each and every day to try to get better at what we're doing, to look for new ways to improve our business so that we can provide better value for all the people that we serve.